time is appointed, mysteries unfolding. The bride is under expectation for her redemption. Though the way may seem hard, her faith cannot be moved. For the bride will walk into full possession of the land. This is my time. This is my time. It's manifesting time. This is my time. I'm living in His promises. When I need strength, I draw from my Theophany. This is my time to live a manifested life. Oh, the bride is awakened with 7 thunders. She has the revelation of prophecy. When the squeeze comes down, she'll do the greater works. For the bride will walk into full dominion to rule. This is my time. This is my time. It's manifesting time. This is my time. I'm living in His promises. When I need strength, I draw from my Theophany. This is my time to live a manifested life. Oh, this is the hour. The door is closing. Israel